Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Bench Block is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any serious jewelry maker, offering a stable and secure platform for a wide array of tasks, from intricate soldering and delicate stone setting to robust metal shaping and finishing. This video will explore the key features and functionalities to help you choose the perfect bench block to elevate your jewelry making process and unlock your creative potential. Number 5. Beadsmith Steel Bench Block. This solid steel block is the perfect addition to your jewelry making workspace. Its flat, sturdy surface protects your work surface and provides a stable platform for your projects. It's scratch and dent resistant, ensuring it will last for years to come. The perfect size for detailed work, measuring 4 by 4 by 0.5 inches. This flat anvil provides a stable surface for hammering, stamping, and shaping metal. Lay out your designs with ease and precision. Use it to protect your work surface, shape wire, or as a base for your jewelry making tools. It's incredibly versatile. It pairs perfectly with our metal elements kits, allowing you to create even more intricate designs. Let your imagination run wild. For 40 years, we've been providing high-quality beads, tools, and supplies to crafters. This bench block is a testament to our commitment to excellence. What we like? It's a sturdy, solid metal bench block, perfect for detailed stamping. Its larger size provides ample space for your projects. If you need a durable and reliable work surface for intricate jewelry making, this is the one for you. What people say. This provides me with a great surface for crushing material for my inlays. The 4x4 work surface makes hammering larger pieces like bangle bracelets, hoop earrings, and such quick and easy. It is solid, heavy, nicely machined and very smooth. It comes in its own box, great for storing. Number 4. OWDEN Steel Bench Block. This is the OWDEN Steel Bench Block, perfect for jewelry making and metal stamping. Its precision design ensures clean, crisp results every time. It features a mirror-polished, chrome-plated steel surface for exceptional durability and a smooth working surface. This ensures your work is flawless. With a diameter of 3 inches and a height of 3/4 inch, it's the ideal size for various jewelry making tasks. It's compact and easy to handle. The soft plastic base minimizes rebound, allowing for more precise stamping and shaping. This helps you achieve perfect results with every strike. Use it for stamping, flattening, chasing, shaping, and laying out metal. It's a must-have for any jeweler or metalworker. It's incredibly versatile and efficient. This bench block is designed to help you create beautiful, high-quality jewelry. Its features make it easy to achieve professional results. What we like? This bench block boasts a stunning mirror polish and chrome plating. The no-rebound design ensures precise stamping every time. If you value precision and a professional finish in your work, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Works for my particular situation. I use this as a weighted block to mount a magnetic CW key. Polished surface and good weight make it a stable base for that purpose. I was trying to use the stamping tool for decoration and creating jewelry. I was trying it on a wooden block and tried concrete. Oh man, it was pathetic. This metal block is very good and never moves when stamping. The rubber bottom holds the base sturdy. I stamp stainless steel, so I have to give it a pretty good wallop with each swing, and this block has been fantastic for it. Big enough to work on, but not too big for traveling. I really like the rubber base on it. It's just thick enough to protect my working surface, but thin enough that it doesn't negatively impact my work. And technically, once your top surface has finished its lifespan and is too damaged to use, you can pull off the rubber from the bottom and use that side without the rubber, so it's like getting a whole extra block for the price of one. Smiley face. Number 3. BESTNULE Steel Bench Block. This is the BESTNULE Steel Bench Block, a professional-grade tool built to last. Its hardened carbon steel construction can withstand thousands of impacts, making it perfect for various tasks. It's made of industrial-grade hardened carbon steel and undergoes multiple heat treatments. This ensures superior performance and longevity, so you can rely on it for years to come. The bottom is covered with a thick layer of soft rubber plastic. This provides excellent shock absorption, protecting both your work and your hands from impact. It's ideal for stamping, flattening, shaping, and more. Use it on a variety of materials, including brass, leather, aluminum, silver, and stainless steel. It arrives in secure, multi-layer packaging to ensure it reaches you in perfect condition. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like? It's designed with shock absorption in mind, protecting both your workpiece and your hands. The chrome plating adds a layer of elegance and durability. If you prioritize protecting your work and yourself while stamping, this is ideal for you. What people say? Its added weight and the soft plastic bottom non-skid sheath, attached to the switch module with double-sided tape, is the perfect solution. The module is now stable and stays put. Works awesome for my jewelry making and other small things that need a firm backing. Cushion base is a great help with stability when chasing or planishing. It is larger, round and has a secure padding on the bottom which makes for secure hammering with less marks and less banging noise. Number 2. BENECREAT Jewelry Hammer. This is the BENECREAT Jewelry Hammer, perfect for all your jewelry making needs. It's designed for both beginners and experienced crafters. It features a 6-inch long hammer with a comfortable wood handle and a 3x3-inch rubber bench block. The hammerhead is securely embedded for lasting durability. The ergonomic wood handle provides a non-slip grip for precision striking. It's comfortable to use for extended periods. The included rubber bench block absorbs shock from hammering, protecting your work surface and making it easier to use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this hammer is ideal for stamping, shaping, and other jewelry making techniques. It's a great tool to have in your crafting arsenal. Order your BENECREAT jewelry hammer now and elevate your jewelry making experience. It's the perfect addition to your crafting supplies. What we like? This kit includes a comfortable hammer with an ergonomic handle and a shock-absorbing rubber bench block. The hammer's length provides excellent control. If you're a beginner or prefer a comfortable and controlled stamping experience, this is perfect for you. What people say? As advertised. Perfect size for shaker box tacks. Light, well-balanced, easy to use. Use for wire jewelry and it works well. Number 1. Steel bench block and stamping hammer kit. This kit is a must-have for any jewelry maker or metalworker. It includes a heavy-duty steel block and a precision stamping hammer, perfect for creating stunning pieces. The steel block's unique design minimizes rebound, protecting your work in your hands. The rubber base absorbs shock and vibration for a comfortable experience. It's made from hardened carbon steel, mirror polished and chrome plated for durability and a professional finish. This ensures it will last through countless projects. This double-headed hammer features both flat and domed ends for versatile stamping. Its rubber-coated handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, it's perfect for flattening, forming, chasing, and stamping metal. Use it on blanks, jewelry tags, and more. What we like? This complete kit includes both a no-rebound bench block and a durable metal stamping hammer. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. If you're looking for a convenient and comprehensive solution for your jewelry making needs, this kit is for you. What people say? Used in conjunction with a Teflon punch, the hammer size and weight is perfect for making delicate adjustments for windage while laying on a stable block. Perfect for jewelry making or any small projects. They don't use up room on my project table because I can put them away till I need them. The hammer is super convenient and ergonomic, and the block works great to absorb bounce when used on a kitchen table. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.